Hi, my name is Michaela Harris, and I'm owner and operator of Timberlake Marketing along with my husband, Christian Harris. We wanted to take the time today to show you some things that you could improve on your own or some services that we offer that helps get you and your business to that first page of Google, helps bring in more customers, more leads, and is ultimately going to bring you in more business. So first off, when I pull up the website, I love it. It's great. There's a lot of good content, a lot of pictures, room for some improvement, but overall it's really good. When I, as a customer, if I was coming in to try and find someone, if I lived in Huntsville and I was trying to find someone to do my HVAC, if I Googled Huntsville HVAC, the first businesses I'm going to see are anything that's in the ads, which can show up at the top or the bottom of this first page. Any of the businesses in this map area, the map pack, or any of the businesses on the first page. Most people never make it to that second page of Google. They're going to go with one of the first people they see because that's going to be who they trust. So what I'm seeing here is I'm not seeing Corbin's. Sometimes I did see an ad when I looked this up a couple different times, which tells me that you understand the importance of being on that first page. But as you can see, those ads don't always show up with your ad because several people pay for them. So with that being said, if we take a look at your top competitor, which would be this first person right here, we can go take a look and see why are they making it above your company? Why are they ranking on this first page but you're not? So if we take a look, their website's not entirely that different. Yes, the layout's a tiny bit different, but they still have a lot of the same pictures and content explaining their services, customer testimonials, all kinds of things like that. They have multiple tabs, same as yours. So what's the difference? The easy way to find the difference is to go to a tool we call Ahrefs. You can get this tool. It's not free. It does cost a monthly fee, but you can get it same as we do. We take and we put in your website's URL, and it tells us a lot of statistics about what Google sees when it looks at your page. This right here is going to be how powerful your website is to Google and how trustworthy. This backlinks and referring domains are talking about how many people in other places refer back to you. Backlinks work on how powerful the link is. If it's coming from somewhere like Yellow Pages, it's going to be more powerful than if it comes from, say, like just a blog somewhere. So you can have more backlinks, but it's the quality of the backlink that matters. Organic keywords. These are the keywords that you see going through your website, and we'll take a look. If we take a look at your top competitor, Southern Comfort, you can see that they don't have as many backlinks and referring domains, but they have a lot more keywords. If we look and see what their keywords are, you can see that HVAC near me, AC repair, they're ranking number 1 for HVAC near me, number 2 for AC repair in Huntsville, number 1 for HVAC Huntsville, number 2 for HVAC Huntsville. So they're actually ranking really high on a lot of these common searches. Air conditioning repair, AC repair. So with that being said, where this comes in is you can go back to their website, and this is what it's talking about. When Google's reading this, they're seeing these words over and over again. HVAC, 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 HVAC. Come down here. HVAC repair, AC repair, HVAC maintenance. It's seeing these words over and over and over again. And that's what's telling it that this page is more relevant and needs to be closer to the top. The other tool that we use is our whitespark.ca local citation finder. If we go in here and you see Air, Water, and Power Solutions, which is your name on Google, you can see that you have 14 citations and your top competitor has 42. So if we go in and we look and say, well, what's their 42 citations? Well, Facebook is citing them, Bing, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. You can click these and go in and submit your business, and that's going to give you more backlinks. And the better backlinks you have, the more you're going to outrank your competitor. And yes, you may have a lot of backlinks, but like I said, it's the quality of those backlinks. So what does that mean? I guess what it means is when you come in here and you're pretending to be a customer and you're looking, they're not seeing you in this top page of the maps. There's not enough citations for you to get here. I believe you'll actually rank 20 in maps. And then you come here, this first page that everybody looks at, they rarely ever click over to the second page. This first page is going to be more likely the companies they go with. That's where the value comes in. So if you look, one last thing, your organic traffic, meaning how many people actually click on your website, is 111 per month. We go in here and look at your top competitor, and they have, let it load, 982 per month. So that's the value of being on that first page. And these are things that you can go in and do yourself, or you can hire someone like us to do for you. Either way, I just hope that this video, this short little clip, was educational and will help you further your business. Thank you for giving us the time, and I'll include my contact information in when I send you this link, and I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.